Hello, Felicia. This is Wamley coming to you, talking to you about my final project or final practical for earlier today. Um, here I'm going to just basically explain to you my problems and what I did to fix. So we're going to slide over to code. Let's slide the map. So um, here we are. We are in my controller. Here's a couple of things. Now, first things off the bat. First couple of things I had issues with. I had a little bit of issues with connecting things here and there. I forgot from time to time that whatever I named the function inside of my what's it called, my models, I have to keep them consistent in this area right here, or else things wasn't connecting. And I was just trying to speed through it so fast that I totally forgot about that. Also, another disclaimer, as I'm talking to you about this, you may notice that my name is not in the code. I was just trying to worry about getting it fixed and then troubleshooting later, putting my name back in, commenting it out, and whatnot. So I apologize for that when you watch this video. Just to make sure that it's mine, I'm going to type my name now. It probably won't mean nothing at the moment, but I mean, better than nothing, right? So, let me save that. But yes, so yeah, another couple of things I had issues with. Um, I believe it was with the login. Um, Here you see I have my user IDs. I had some user IDs uppercase and I had some user IDs lowercase. And I'm pretty sure as soon as you heard me say that statement, you can already tell what was going on with my thing. Um, Everything was just breaking, nothing was working, and I was just having a fit. And I just couldn't figure out what was going on because I was trying to what was I trying to do? I was trying to change something that I didn't want anymore because I started on my files prior, and I was just taking things in and out subconsciously, and I wasn't really paying attention to what I was doing. And then as I was working, I was like, well, let me just test my code, and then from there, because I had everything working at this point, and I was just like, okay, let's just get it all out the way. My logins and stuff broke, and this was one of the key reasons because I was just going in and out, taking everything in and out. I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing, so that was a huge issue in its own part. So yeah, so okay, that's the issue now. But luckily, I got everything to work, as you can see from this page. So, just to save ourselves the time for me creating the whole admin login, let's try and do something here. So we're gonna go with single letters because single letters are the best. Everything's going to be P. We're gonna grab one of the screenshots that I have. Don't really remember which is which, so we're just gonna name things. Just random 10-digit number. Generated email I had typed in from earlier sessions. HTTP. Now with this will not let you go through unless you have this HTTP. If you do not have this HTTP, it will not validate and it will not let you go. Just to show you, little.com. Favorite restaurant address. I don't really know what the address is because it's in Miami. I'm not even sure the place is still there. It's been such a long time, but we're just gonna put P just for time's sake. So we're gonna put push. As you see, this pops up. So just letting you know that works. Submit. So database is inside of it. So and also take a look at the database. And if we see here, look, it's saved the user's data right there, P and P. So if we go to log in, P, oh, I have that on caps lock. That is not going to work, at least to my knowledge. Ah, we're here. So, as you can see, we can log out. We can go to our profile. That's not supposed to happen, um, but yeah, we can go back from there. We can update. I'm not sure why it does that, but it was bound to happen because it's me. So, well, yeah, like I said. So, if we log out, we logged out. Let's go back to the login. So, admin. Admin. Now, normally I would have to go through this whole entire form right here, but as I showed you when we first slid back over here, I already did the admin process. So with the admin process, the way I have it set up, I have an if statement inside of my code that allows it that if you sign in with the username and password of admin, it will take you to the dashboard. Well, that will allow you to do this. I'll take you here. Restaurant address. Let's slide back over there really quick. It's in read data class. I'm pretty sure I know what the issue is. I have a tough time spelling that word. It was in read data class, correct? Correct. Let's just take that extra A out. There we go. So yeah, that was just a simple error on my part. I just forgot to remove the A. I know how I spell restaurant, and it's always I forget the A first before the U, because I don't remember that it has two A's instead of one. But another story for another day. So you see, we have two admins, and we have P. So if we want to, we come here. It allows us to update, but oops. So that's one issue. We can go back to our dashboard. Now we can delete P. Bye P. Bye. P's gone. Um, Another issue I had was logging back in with this, but that was also due to the fact that my users' eyes were not capitalized, and some were capitalized, some were lowercase. So that was just total user error at that point. I was just trying to hurry up and rush through this, and I wasn't really, paying attention to what I needed to do. Uh, but I did get everything working successfully to a T, almost to a T. So, yeah, thank you for sitting through this presentation, and I hope you have a wonderful day.